First, I don't have breakfast. Second,
Oh gosh, what I eat in a day is an elite model. Okay.
So first I started my day with some watermelon and mango.
Oh, good. She's under eating for sure. You need to eat more than that. More. And well, it just looks like I've hit a lot of vegan under eating. Let's see if we can do better with this one. Hey Frugivore, welcome back to TikTok. We are on the page of the vegan models. What I eat in a day as a vegan model. So let's check it out. Let's just pick an old random one here. We got a face here.
what I eat.
Hang on. What I eat in a day as a model. This is Philia Soso. Hey Philia. Firstly, thank you. Thank you for not hurting animals, right? I think that's amazing. I support you. I hope you're eating enough.
In a day as a model. First, I don't have breakfast. Second,
Oh gosh. Okay, that was the first mistake. First, I don't have breakfast. This is a recipe for disaster. It's a recipe to go back to eating your friends. It really, really is. Because a lot of these individuals, I don't know for sure, you know, she might speak about the animals, but a lot of these individuals are doing like plant-based. They're not really vegan because they're not thinking about the animals. They're not speaking up for the animals. They're not doing anything, you know, regarding the animals. It's just about like maybe looking good for being a model, that kind of thing. So this is a fast track way to go back to eating animals. If you don't have breakfast, that's bad. And a protein shake for lunch? No.
for lunch, I'll have a protein shake.
This is like very disappointing. Very disappointing. Someone wrote, fourth, you pass out. Yes, I agree.
Third, for dinner, I'll have a salad with at least
Hang on, a huge salad with at least 1,500 calories. I question highly whether this salad here, I'd like to see it bigger, has 1,500 calories. Because look, there's mandarin, there's like some avocado which bumps it up, yes, but what else is here? I question that, Philia, please show more.
1,500 calories. What I eat.
Okay, she's definitely under eating. She's definitely heading for a pass out, that's for sure. Yeah. Well, so people are like, yeah, that's not enough food. And I agree, okay? I'm very happy she's not eating animals, but that could come to an end very soon if she eats like this.
What I eat in a day als Model. Ich hatte morgens
Okay, so, oh, hang on, is this German or something? Or Swedish? I don't even know. I can't tell. Oh, Dutch?
vegane Schoko-Bananen-Pancakes.
Okay, so she's having chocolate vegan pancakes. Right. Okay, you know, I would love to see a smoothie. There's no excuse to not have a smoothie. Have some fresh living for the breakfast.
Dann habe ich mir zur Arbeit Reis mit Gemüse und Fleischersatz
Okay, so she's having some tiny rice and maybe like some fake meats.
mitgenommen. Dann hatte
That was a tiny serve. I recommend, maybe that was the end of it, but you definitely have to eat more. Vanilla. Probably a
ich
coconut yogurt or
Milchreis
something.
mit Vanillesoße. Dann hatte ich Chips mit
Okay.
Hummus und abends
Chips with hummus. Maybe she's like Swedish. I don't know.
so ein
So
Risotto.
one of you can tell me in the comments. What is that? It's very beige. Oh, it's very beige, the whole thing. So she started the day with a lot of beige here. And you know I'm happy there's no animals, but okay, there's a little bit of vegetable matter in there, which is good. But then it just went to the maybe coconut yogurt, and then to the chips of very beige and a bit of hummus, okay. And then this does not look good. It doesn't really make the vegan lifestyle look that tasty. It really doesn't. And I've got those recipes coming soon on the new channel, and it's going to look a heck of a lot better than this. She needs to eat more. And a lotte, you need to eat more for sure. Okay. All right, I don't want to do the music ones. I want people to speak to me. How about that?
Modeling Korea.
Okay,
Leaves.
good.
Lovey leaves.
Lovey leaves. We like leaves.
Banana.
Oh gosh, her face. So just a quick word on undereating. You don't have to do it. Okay, you don't have to do it to lose the jiggle. Erin, for example, she lost 200 pounds on Raw Tour 4. So she was at her heaviest at 350 pounds. She was sick. She was desperately trying to find a way to be healthier. She was done with dieting. She came across my YouTube channel. And in the first year of doing Raw Till 4, she lost over 120 pounds and continued to eventually lose up to 200 pounds. And all these benefits, hair regrowth, parasite infection, healed bone disease, fertility increased, cleared up, no more IBS. So that, like, it's just amazing. Poppy lost 130 pounds on Raw Till 4. You can see a massive difference in the before and after. She is like a new person. Jelena, I think it's Helena, lost 105 pounds, no calorie restricting. So she's really excited in this testimonial here. She's lost 105 pounds in less than a year because I've been eating at real organic food. Whole foods, never felt better. Skin is amazing. Energy is fantastic. Look at her before and after. I used to drink coffee and totally quit when I started this lifestyle. Honestly, don't need it. The food gives me the energy. Thank you so much for your information. You literally saved my life. Saved me. You can see her before. I can't believe this is the same individual, really. Next. Ashley. I'm just showing you a few examples, just a few of the many examples of individuals who've lost a lot of weight, right? Ashley lost 85 pounds, cured IBS on Raw Till 4. I'm free of pre-diabetes, IBS. I feel amazing. Thank you freely. You know, heal your body, be kind to animals, reveal your natural shape, protect against disease, positive example for others, never restrict calories again. You don't have to. You've seen the examples. You've seen me. You just need to eat. You just need to eat food that is satiating, whole foods, food that is ideal for your species. There's a link to my books in the description below if you want to support my work, and if you want to support yourself, check out my books. That's great. She's having a banana, but that's very standard. You need to eat more than that. More.
Alcohol.
Okay, so she's getting some of her carbs through the alcohol.
Tea.
She definitely looks like she's under eating to me. She's definitely restricting for this modeling gig. They probably want to be really small in Korea. But tea, oh, that is it. Yeah, she's definitely not eating enough. I can see she's under eating for sure. And wow, it just looks like I've hit a lot of vegan under eating. Let's see if we can do better with this one. What is that her again? Hang on. What I actually eat in Korea as a vegan model. All right.
Eat in Korea as a vegan model.
Okay, that music's too much. So shaved ice is Korean dessert name bingsu. Okay. The shaved ice is a Korean dessert. Okay, and that's shaved red bean paste. That is something different. Right. That is very different. We actually do drink way too much, yeah, and that's the way to get carbohydrates, but you're not getting a lot of fiber, and it's damaging your cells too, because it is apparently a protoplasmic poison, so it kills cells that it comes in contact with, the alcohol. Italian food sometimes can be changed to be vegan, like easy. There are like 3 actual vegan restaurants in Seoul. That's great. That's fantastic. Easy, huh? This is Australia. I'm not going to even try. Vegan traditional Chinese food. Yeah, it's not a lot of fresh. It's a lot of eating out here so far. There's some color here. That is great. I'm not sure if this is what she eats in one day or whether she's showing a whole. That looks beautiful. Beautiful presentation. Colors in there. Some vegetables. Not bad. Not bad. I mostly cook at home. Okay, great. Very basic ingredients. Well, that's a healthy. Isn't that hot? Is that on her lap? Okay. Yeah, vegan options. That looks beautiful. All right, so it's better that she ended up eating a bit more there, but I'm not sure if that's every day because she is quite thin, huh? What I eat in a day is an elite model. Okay.
So first I started my day with some watermelon and mango.
Oh, good. 2 cups of watermelon and 1 large mango. And look, this is not going to give you a lot of calories, is it? It's only 1 large mango and 2 cups of watermelon. Double that at least.
First I started my day with some watermelon and mango, followed by...
But so great to see living food for a start. I've been missing this with all these reviews. Slice of sourdough, avocado, olive oil not necessary. You got enough fattiness going on with the avocado, but okay.
Avocado toast. Then for lunch I had Banza pasta with...
A box of Banza pasta. I don't know, maybe that's a protein pasta. 1 slice of sourdough. All right.
Mushrooms, bread, nutritional yeast, and a side of crispy Brussels sprouts.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, she got some fiber in there. It's quite cooked. I would recommend more fruit, of course, but yeah.
Which I demolished. Then I had a protein mango smoothie.
Okay, so she's mistaken where she thinks she needs to put protein in. She's fell for the marketing. Girl, you do not have to. Don't worry about it, sister. You don't have to worry about adding the extra protein. 2 cups of frozen mango. Oh, that's great.
I had a protein mango smoothie.
Tasty.
Then 2 Ezekiel English muffins with almond butter and banana.
Okay,
Then for dinner, I went to a restaurant called Planta, which is completely vegan.
wonderful. That's amazing.
Flavors were amazing.
Oh,
And
wow.
you leave
Yeah, so you've got a lot of oil going on here. I know when you eat out, you just end up having a lot of oil here and there. Okay, here and there it's all right, but I would definitely not make this a regular thing.
feeling completely satisfied, but not needing a food nap. Definitely go check
Food
this
nap,
place out.
yeah.
What I eat in a
Okay, so this was definitely one of the better ones because she got some mango in later as well. She's had some fiber, like had a decent amount of vegetable matter. She's going for the dessert at the end because she didn't have enough fruit, but not bad,
For lunch
sister,
I
not
had-
bad. All right, so these have been not too bad. Actually, most of them have been under eating, but last one did restore my faith a little bit. But anyway, if you want to see more of these videos, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, who you want me to review, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself.